Hi, I'm just back here on my site in Penzance, and I wanted to just discuss a bit further the rain garden and why I put this in. So when you have hundreds or thousands of houses moving water off of their site as quickly as possible into sewage systems, onto roads, this can actually cause flash flooding, and over the long run can deplete aquifers because the water is meant to soak into the ground and replenish underground aquifers, which then that provides drinking water down the line. So rain gardens are really great low cost technology to really replenish aquifers, reduce flooding, and they make sense on the site because here you can see the water's coming off the roof, roughly 60,000 litres a year, which that was just going into the soil at the foundations, which can lead to issues with making the foundations unstable. So what I did is I took the water, I found this second-hand old trough from Facebook Marketplace. Wasn't very expensive. Put some plants in it so the water goes through that, and then it goes into this reel and across the path goes into this rain garden. And that is a mixture of marginal plants that can cope with the dry conditions, but at the same time in the winter can cope with the waterlogging. So when we capture the water off of the roof, we're watering our plants on site, creating diversity of habitat because we've got the dry and wet condition, which is very important because that's actually a habitat we've lost a lot of throughout the country as people drain landscapes. So a lot of the time people are always looking for these big scale environmental projects. If we transform our gardens on a large scale across the country, we can have a significant impact on water security, flooding, and wildlife benefit. But then not only this, there's no reason we can't be planting up these rain gardens or water gardens with edible and useful plants. So really a lot of my work looks at how we can get maximum benefit out of our gardens, really multifunctional gardens that provide food, improve the environment, and have significant biodiversity benefits, because there's a lot of potential there, but it just takes some research and thought in the design process. Thanks for watching.